In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Uber app not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If that is not the case, you can also go ahead and check your Uber server status. Go to status.uber.com to check if the servers are down in your region. You can also try closing the application completely and reopening it. If that doesn't work, try updating the application from your App Store or Play Store. You can also go ahead and clear cache if you're using any kind of Android device. You can also try to restart your phone to fix the minor glitches. If your date and time setting is not set to automatic, it will also go ahead and cause you this problem. Always make sure that you're not using any kind of VPN. If nothing works, you have two last things to do, and that is going to be uninstalling and reinstalling Uber or contacting support at status at help.uber.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.